Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you the tutorial on circular sketch effect on PicsArt. First, select any image of your preference. Now go to Tools and select Stretch. Once there, select Swirl CCW. Increase the size while decreasing the power. Tap and hold on your image to make the swirl effect. Click Done. Go to Tools again and select Shape Crop. Here, choose the circle and adjust the size according to the swirl. Make sure that you are within the edges of the swirl. Click on the top arrow key and save the crop. Go back and select your original image once again. Select Stickers. Go to My Stickers, then under Cutouts you will find the swirl you saved. Select it and adjust its size according to your image. Decrease opacity for placement convenience. Now select Eraser and start erasing the parts that you do not need. Make sure that you erase the swirl from your foreground image as well. Take guidance from the screen if confused. Increase the swirl opacity. After completion, click on Done and add in some effects for more impact. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.